Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim. This is my project Personal AI Employee. I built for the GISA hackathon. It handles my emails, WhatsApp messages, and Odoo invoices and LinkedIn posts. It's run 24/7 on Oracle Cloud, free trial, only 1 GB RAM. Something take 1 to 2 minutes because of the small server, and every action needs my approval first. Let me show how it works. And this is the dashboard I built with Next.js 16. You can see the glass design, dark mode particle animation in background as I log in with that. Sign in. After login, you can see the main page. These are the three cards show how many tasks are pending, in progress, and completed. Down here, we have our four tabs: approval completed, API usage, and wall browser. Let me show the approval tabs. Here are the approvals, they are shown there. This is a quick create. From here, I can send email, WhatsApp, invoices, or a LinkedIn post. Let me send a WhatsApp message. I type the phone number and I click I generate cloud AI writes the message for me. I can also type it myself. I click the submit WhatsApp message. Go directly, no approval needed. The cloud server pick it up and set it using Playwright browser automation. And my cloud server is Oracle is always free tier, only 1 GB RAM, so it takes 1 to 2 minutes to process. It open WhatsApp web, find the chat, type the message, and click send, all automatic. Let me check if message has arrived or not. And there is message received on my WhatsApp sent from cloud. And in cloud log you can see it found the chat, type the message and send it. Everything is logged. Here you can see it. Now let me send an email. I type my email address and subject, and then I click AI generate cloudy write a professional email. Let me generate it. Here is he generate the Gmail, so I click on create email draft. Emails are different from WhatsApp. Email needs my approval first. This is a safety tool. Let me go to the approval. This you show the pending approvals. Uh, I can see the full email here. Subject it. Subject body. Everything is look good. Yeah, I click approve and send. Everything is fine and perfect. Let me approve it. So here's I approve the email. So here is show and recently complete. Now let me show the email is already in my Gmail. See, wait. See here is in Gmail, same subject, same body, sent by an AI, approved by me. And if I check the cloud log, you can see it here. You can see it here. The email was approved, sent via STMT, and logged. Everything is tracked. Here is you can see it. Now Odoo accounting, I can create invoice, contacts, payments, and bills from here. Let me create invoice for my client Ali, 5,000 rupees for web design. Let me create it. It creates a draft invoice in Odoo. Very important. The system never confirm any money transaction. Only draft. I have to confirm it myself in Odoo. Let me approve and go to the Odoo website. So see here, his in Odoo draft is 5,000 rupees. Customer Ali, the AI employee cannot spend my money. I have to click confirm myself. Then it confirm. Now LinkedIn, I can post on LinkedIn from here. Quick create. So let me create a post. I generate a post. Cloud AI wrote the professional uh, LinkedIn post for me. I can edit if I want, but it's look good. So I click on the submit the system post on my LinkedIn using the LinkedIn API. Let me show you. Here is posting the LinkedIn post. Okay, he now post on LinkedIn. Let me check the LinkedIn post. Here is it on my LinkedIn profile posted by AI from the dashboard. I did not open LinkedIn. This system did everything. Here is, you can see the hit the post. 2 minutes. Now the best part, I can give command from WhatsApp. Watch, I send a message from my second number telling to the AI to send a Quran verse to my friend. Here is, I send a message. So message has been sent. So the cloud is a 1 GB RAM Oracle free trial. So it's take 1 to 2 minutes. Boss reads my command, uses Cloudy AI to write the message, open WhatsApp web, find the context and send all automatic. So there is it. The AI reads my command and write the message. You can see here, and you can see the confirmation here. The message has been sent. Now I send a normal message like someone ask me a question. The AI will auto reply on my behalf. Let me send a message. Hi Kasim, are you free for a meeting? And the AI reply. And here is the AI auto reply. It give the natural answer, and it ends say Kasim AI assistant, so people know it's AI, not me. Here is the reply. Also, let me show the Oracle clouds. So he search my chat and send a message. Now we move to the Oracle cloud in the Ubuntu terminal. This is my Oracle cloud server. It run 24/7 for free. Oracle fleet, as you can see the process always running. So here is four are running process, and the cloud orchestrator watches my Gmail and the Git sync pull code from GitHub every 60 seconds, and the dashboard is the website, and WhatsApp watcher handles all messaging and AI replies. So here is a CEO briefing. Every week the AI makes a CEO briefing. It count how many tasks I have completed, how much API cost I spent, and give me a suggestion for next week, like weekly report for my AI employee. So we now go to the MCP health. So here are the MCP server health, and all the service status. All my services are online: email, WhatsApp, Gmail, Udo, LinkedIn, Twitter. Each one is a separate MCP server that Cloud AI can use. So here is the API usage graph. So it can you see the API how much token input and output use. So now the wallet browser shows every file in the system: done item, fail item, pending item. Each file has full details: who sent it and when, what happened, complete audit trial. And you see the logs. In the earlier silver tier, I used Option with the manual moves files. Now the dashboard does everything on one click. So the full source code is on GitHub, Cloud Agent, dashboard 5 MCP servers, all scripts, wallet systems, everything is on document. Here's the README file. Here's the complete hackathon completion status. So this is my personal AI employee. All 5 hackathon types complete: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and hackathon plus. It runs 24/7 on Oracle Cloud. Handle email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Udo, and every action needs my approval. So I built this solo using Python, Next.js, Cloud AI, Playwright, PM2, and Oracle Cloud. Cloud Code was my peer programmer. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair.